Your credit score is deciding what happens in your life before you even walk into the room. And it gets crazier. Do you know that AI controls the banks? Do you know that AI is the algorithm? It is funny, but AI decides if you buy a house or a car. AI decides everything on your credit report, and instead of getting mad at it, you should find a way to beat it. This is what smart people does, and it works every time. So if I tell that you could use AI to beat the system, believe me, because if algorithms can lower your score, algorithms can raise it. This is not another basic credit tips video. This is a modern blueprint. How to use artificial intelligence to improve your credit score, fix bad credit, and move toward real financial freedom. Because today, credit isn't about money, and it's about patterns. It is better to be sure than just guess your way through it all. Precision beats luck every time. You need to understand that every swipe, every payment, every mistake you make feeds systems like the FICO score. Your payment history, credit utilization, credit mix, credit age are all documented and analyzed. You might not like to hear it, but the system knows your credit habits. But here's the advantage. AI doesn't guess. It predicts. Remember, if you can control the pattern, you control the outcome. For any questions about your credit, use tools like Credit Karma and Experian. It will help you stop the guesswork and gives understandable answers. These platforms break your credit report into pieces, showing exactly what's hurting your score. That way, you know what to fix. It is easier when you know what or where the problem is. Let's take it a little bit further and practical. I need you to copy your credit report insights and feed them into AI. Ask, what's damaging my credit score the most? What does it say? Now you know. Have you seen that confusion is expensive while clarity is profitable? This simple step will save you points because you now know what to fix. Here's something most people don't know. Credit reports are often wrong. You are surprised, right? Yes, they are mostly wrong. Duplicate accounts, wrong balances, outdated collections. All these can make up numbers that don't actually reflect your present credit score, but you wouldn't know. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT or Duvly to scan everything. Errors are opportunities in disguise, and that's how the banks and credit card companies make money. Because one deleted account can boost your score overnight. One fix can change your financial future. Sir, another way AI can help you fix your credit is by setting automatic dispute. Instead of writing weak dispute letters, you can use AI to generate powerful, structured letters that do the job. You can use AI tools like Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian to do the job. These AI tools are fast and precise. They tailor your words to fit. In finance, precision beats emotion every time, and the right words can erase the wrong history. Next thing we are going to talk about is credit utilization. This is where most people lose points without realizing it. And most people do not realize that not all payments are equal, and this is where you need AI to help you figure it out. Ask AI, which card should I pay first to boost my score fastest? It gives you a proper context of which cards matters most. Also, remember to keep your usage below 30%. Personally, keeping your usage under 10% has always worked wonders. The goal is to be strategic for maximum results. Another way AI can help you is when you set auto payments with AI. By now you know that when you miss one payment, your score drops. Make use of AI to automate everything. You need consistency to beat the system, and AI can help you achieve that. Because one mistake can undo months of progress. Another way AI can help you is to report your good credit activities to the system. When to achieve this, use platforms like Self, Kikoff, Chime. These AI tools keeps tabs of your little efforts and reports it accordingly, thereby building your credit profile over time. You think small actions repeated can create massive results? Then use AI to achieve that. Have you heard bankers talk about credit mix and balances? AI can help you with that too. You see, lenders trust balance. They want to see variety like different account types, credit cards, loans, etc. It shows you have experience, gives you an edge, and amplify their trust. Master the art of timing too, because same move at the wrong time can fail. Another thing AI can help you do is track all your financial pattern and habits. Track your progress weekly. Data removes doubt. Every point tells a story that definitely rewrite your bad history. Let's be clear. AI won't your debts. It won't hack the system. It will only help you navigate it faster and smarter because the only shortcuts are smarter paths. Be informed that discipline still wins. AI gives you tools, but your habits decide everything. Discipline is the ultimate credit hack. You don't need more money. You just need better strategy. Finally, your credit score is not permanent. It's a reflection, and reflections can be changed. Start small. Think big. Act consistently. I promise you, every action compounds over time. The system rewards those who understand it. So learn it and use it. If you want a personalized AI strategy to boost your credit score fast, drop your situation in the comments. And if this opened your eyes, subscribe for more real finance strategies. Remember, the best time to fix your credit was yesterday. The next best time is now.